morning, geometry. I'm going to try something a little bit different today, and I just have moved to a different part of the house, out to my flower garden actually. And we're going to do a very easy lesson. It's on areas of trapezoids, rhombi, and kites. Okay? Probably this will take about a minute starting now. Okay, so trapezoids, if you remember, have two parallel sides and the other two are not parallel. Okay? If we call this one of the bases, base 1 maybe, we'll call this base 2. And then you know that the height is the perpendicular to one of those bases. So the area of a trapezoid is 1/2 base 1 plus base 2 times height. You probably already knew that, but just in case you didn't, there it is. Okay? Sorry, let me get my shadow out of the way. How do I do that? Oh, like that. Okay, can you see that? All right. Rhombi, if you remember, are figures that have 4 congruent sides, but not necessarily congruent angles. And kites are something that has 2 consecutive sides that are the same distance, and then 2 other ones. So on both of these kind of figures, if you measure the diagonal here and the diagonal here, same with this one, this diagonal and this diagonal, and then you take half of that, that's the area of those 2 figures. So, area, let's call this one like D1, and we'll call this diagonal 2. So it's D1 times D2 divided by 2, or 1/2 of that. Remember, these are always going to be in square units. Don't forget that. If you don't label things, do you understand that you just have, you can't say the area of something and then have no label. That makes no sense. It's like saying how tall you are and then not having a label. You can't just say 5. Okay. So anyway, that's all for this section. Is that a minute? Oh, I maybe went a little bit over my time, but that's close. Okay.